It is March 9th, 2015. Taking another video. Things are going to get very busy with babies soon. But, I'm just going to kind of page around the room so people can enjoy.
But if you didn't know for sure, I would have convinced you.
Oh, she. If it's not a human talking, it's the bird talking and laughing. Ralphie! Ralphie! It's really not roosting time, so I'm not sure why we're all just hanging in that corner. I think it's because that light is sunlight. We're going to see Kaneki here in a second. Okay, so we're coming around and down here. More sunlight. And of course there is Clarabelle. And there's Kaneki. 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 Kaneki.
I'm gonna get your butt. I'm gonna get your butt.
Kaneki. How's Kaneki go? No, no. Hey. Yeah. How's Kaneki go? Yeah. You get a raspberry? No, that's not a raspberry. Tell me raspberry. Kaneki. Kaneki. Raspberry? No, that's not a raspberry. Are you being silly? Are you? Want to dance? Yeah? How about a shake? Yeah, can you do a shake? Good boy. Whoops. Girl. Good girl. Yes, I know. I just found out you're a girl and I still can't. About 2 months ago. I still can't get used to it. Let's see. Clarabelle. Kaneki. Kaneki. Hey. 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 You want to do raspberry? No, do raspberry. Raspberry. Yes, nice to meet you. And then, of course, up here is Mr. Brinks, who looks, look at that color. Just a beautiful, beautiful work. It's huge. His lady is in the box, although we just got done looking and they're definitely all clear. So, but we have boxes up for everybody else. I did forget one couple back here. I want to go up high a little bit, so hopefully they won't get scared. But over, yes, over here, who is this? Yeah, Flavio and Celia. They're being very quiet. Yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't find Celia in your contacts.
I don't know how I could be serious. Ralphie, Are you gonna start talking? We need a distraction. Yes. Yeah. Oh, I hear you. That's about the loudest they get. And that is Celia in the back making that noise. And how you know it's her noise is you can watch her tail move. See? Next video, hopefully in the next couple days, you get to see Pez and Skittles again. Yeah. 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 There's these guys still lounging in the sun. Look at those colors. Romeo and Juliet. There's Mr. Hoshi. He actually was not going to be out this evening, but he kind of escaped. So he's going to have to go back in soon. Yeah. Yeah. Whoopsie. That's what happens too when you have a lot of flighted birds. They all kind of fly everywhere if they get startled for whatever reason.
It's okay.
And I don't know what happened and where everybody went. 1, 2, 3, okay. 4, 5. We got the 2 down there. 6, 7.
Turtles on the nesting box.
Turtles on the nesting box behind me. And there's my Kaneki.
There's Hoshi.
And Mr. Hoshi boy.
Where's Keith?
Hoshi. Hoshi. Wanna look here, honey? Oh, you're such a pretty Hoshi boy. Yeah. Wow, Celia's really talking. So pretty. Brinks. 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 I'm gonna try to pick you up, Mr. Brinks.
I'm sorry.
You wanna come out? Hi. Wanna step up for me? Come on. Come on. There you go. Hello. How are you? Oh, it's not going in focus, is it? Yeah. Yeah, how are you? You're such a pretty boy. Yeah. Yeah, you're such a pretty boy. Yeah, pretty. Oh my goodness. You're so fluffy. Why are you so fluffy? He is the pinkest of the pink in this room. Yeah. Yeah. Wanna step up again? Wanna step up again? Good boy. Yeah? Hoshi, that's not your box. Okay, I'm gonna put you back, little Brinks. There you go. Alright. It's getting to be late time. Yeah.
You said I'd like to sleep. There's a hand within a foot of me.
Have the silhouette of the Kaneki. Kaneki! I can hear it.
It's okay. Remember, I told you I had to scoot up so your mommy had room.
Trying to get them.
See a cracker here.
You can see it.
There's a cracker. Somebody a cracker can make
Yeah.
Can I have a kiss? Kaneki? Can I have a kiss, buddy? Mm-hmm. Have a kiss?
Oh, and they're back there again. And they're back there again. Oh, goodness gracious. All three. Yeah. Hey, Chip. Chip, it's time for you to come out too. That's not your cage.
I just saw her head move like.
Thank you.
Woo, Gigi. Get some of my breath.